So we are going to start, or we can continue with our chapter agriculture, and today we will discuss about our major crops. Our major crops are like rice, wheat, maize, cotton. So we will discuss about these crops, that what kind of temperature, rainfall and soil the all these crops required for a good growth. So our first major crop is rice. Okay, and rice, you know that for a good growth of a rice, we need a heavy rainfall. We need very heavy rainfall around 100 centimeter, along with the high temperature and humidity. Everything we require at high level, whether it's a rainfall, whether it's a temperature, whether it's a humidity. So we require high rainfall, high temperature and high humidity to grow rice. And rice is mainly grown in tropical and subtropical regions. Okay, and China is the leading producer of rice, and in India, West Bengal and Bangladesh are major, and we can say leading producer of rice. Okay, bache? So next we are having wheat. For the growth of wheat, we required moderate temperature and rainfall. What we required? We required moderate rainfall and moderate temperature. But we require bright sunshine at the time of its हार्वेस्टिंग. ओके, हार्वेस्टिंग के टाइम पे कैसे चाहिए? ब्राइट सनशाइन चाहिए. और इस टाइम पे यू ऑब्जर्व ना कि अराउंड योर अक्टूबर टू नवंबर we saw our wheat, and at the time of March to June, at that time, that is the time for harvesting of wheat, and at that time we can get a good sunshine. Okay, so for the harvesting, wheat require high sunshine, but if we talk about the rainfall and temperature, it required moderate temperature and moderate rainfall. Okay, so wheat is grown extremely in USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. Okay, and India, we grow it in a winter season from October to March, means October November it is the time for sowing, and March April, that is the time for its harvesting. Next we are having millet. Millet, you also called it coarse grain. Okay, or for growing millets, we can grow it in a very less fertile and sandy soil. Okay, अगर आपकी जो soil है वो अगर less fertile है, then also you are able to grow millet at that soil. Okay, but the soil should be sandy soil. Okay, and next, if fertility, if we require less fertility, along with that we require less rainfall but high moderate temperature. Okay, what we require? We required low rainfall and high to moderate temperature and adequate rainfall. We cannot say that we require low rainfall. Okay, we require adequate rainfall. It should not be very low, it should not be very high. Okay, and the example of millet are we are having jowar, bajra and ragi. Mainly in India, these are our millets. In other country, if we talk about other country, so Nigeria, China and Niger, these are the mainly producer of millets. Okay, next we are having maize. Maize, we require moderate temperature and rainfall. Stop presenting, Sanya. Bache? Yes. Thank you. So maize required moderate temperature and rainfall, but a lots of sunshine. उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए? धूप चाहिए for harvesting. Okay, and it need well drained fertile seeds. And maize in North America, Brazil and China, Russia, Canada, India and Mexico. These are the mainly country where we can find out maize in a good quantity. Next, we are maize. I would like to tell you one another point regarding maize that is also a very important for your NTSC exam, that you call maize as known as corn also. Maize is also known as corn also, and it is found in very different colors. You can say variety of colors across the world. Okay, next we are having cotton. Yes, for growing cotton, we require high temperature, high rainfall. Okay, both the things we require high, and for the better growth of the cotton, we required black soil. ओके, ब्लैक सॉइल में जो ब्लैक एलुवियल सॉइल जो होती है आपकी, उसमें जो कॉटन है वो उसकी ग्रोथ के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है. ओके, एंड चाइना, यूएसए, इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, ब्राज़ील, इजिप्ट, these are the leading producer of cotton. Okay, and you all know that cotton is also a raw material for textile industry. Okay, next we are having jute, and jute is also known as golden fiber. Market important, question can be come in your NTSC exam. So it is